Guys, I'm gonna give you a house tour. I can't believe my Mr. Beast phone video got 145 views. It's only been out 4 hours. So you want a room tour? Well, that's my house tour. But I'm trying to just have my video, so I don't know. What do I do? I don't know. I guess I should something, but I don't know what. Oh yeah. So I've had this. Guess what? I know it's gross, but I've had this on for a while. It's starting to get moldy, but it's really, really, really squishy. It's not actually a squishy ball, but it's squishy. Oh, and by the way, I might make another video tonight, like 9 or something, 10 maybe. Down on this floor, my cousin's gonna be sleeping there in my room, and that's actually gonna be fun, and make another video showing him. Okay, bye guys, love you. Love you guys, bye.